Imagine carrying a backpack, but not on your shoulders, in your mind. Inside it, 100 invisible things. Baby's next meal, doctor's appointment, office deadlines, laundry, grocery list. Outside, you're smiling, but inside, that backpack keeps getting heavier every single day. And here's the thing, research actually shows that moms spend almost 70% more time multitasking than dads. That's why we are always exhausted, even when it looks like we have not done much. This invisible backpack, that's what we call the mental load of motherhood. And today we are going to unpack it together. What it is, how it silently affects your career and your daily life. Why so many moms feel stuck in this invisible battle. Hi mommies, welcome to the first video of our new series Moms Reset, because you matter too. Here we will talk about recharging, finding balance and taking care of yourself while you take care of everyone else. So please do subscribe, and now let's continue with the video. Moms, do you know, research says mothers carry almost 70% more invisible responsibilities than dads. And another study from Ohio State University 2020 found that 66% of moms report feeling burnt out compared to less than half of dads. But here's the thing, this extra work is invisible. Nobody counts it, nobody praises it. But we moms feel it every second. That's the mental load. And trust me, this is not a theory, it's daily life. Suppose you finally sit with a hot cup of chai. 2 sips in, your brain starts ticking. Did I pack extra clothes for baby? Tomorrow's vaccination at 10. Should I set an alarm? Are diapers running low? What's for lunch? Sometimes I feel even when I'm resting, I am still walking in my head. Like, have you ever gone to sleep, then suddenly sat up thinking, अरे bottle sterilize किया था या नहीं? That's the mental load. Constantly planning, remembering, worrying. Even if your hands are free, your mind never switches off. You know, psychologists call this cognitive labor. Sounds fancy, but simple words may it's the mental project management of the entire family. It's not just cooking or cleaning, it's the thinking part. Baby nap schedule, grocery refills, remembering birthdays, planning meals in advance. And the worst part, nobody sees it. Your boss won't notice, your relatives won't notice, sometimes even your partner won't notice. Because all the hard work is happening here in the mind. Now let's talk about the career. Suppose you are on an important Zoom call. Boss is talking, but in your head you are running background apps. Is baby awake? Did the maid put clothes for drying? Do I have enough veggies for dinner? Are, how do you give 100% at work like this? I remember once I was finishing a deadline but kept checking the clock, worried about whether baby was eating properly or not, whether I will be reaching home on time or not. This split focus affects confidence, performance, and slowly some moms even step back from their jobs. But not because they are less capable, it's because this invisible mental load leaves them no space to breathe. And here's the sad part, society does not count this. If you're home, people say, तुम तो काम भी नहीं करती फिर भी थक गई. If you're working, they say, oh, your baby must be missing you. But no one says, wow, you're managing the invisible work of an entire household every single day. No wonder so many moms feel underappreciated, invisible, and stuck between guilt and exhaustion. Now, मैं ज्ञान देने नहीं बैठी. I am also a mom. मुझे भी गिल्ट होता है. मुझे भी लगता है कैरियर में पीछे रह गई. But slowly I realized this load does not have to be mine alone. Sometimes I just say it out loud to my partner. Please, you remember the vaccination date this time, or you handle the bath time today. Small sharing makes a big difference. And also, moms, Arey, it's okay if the dinner is dal chawal today. It's okay if laundry waits one day. What's not okay is burning yourself out quietly while pretending to be superwoman. So, if you have been feeling exhausted, distracted, or guilty about your career, remember it's not because you are not enough, it's because you are carrying the invisible mental load no one talks about. But the more we talk about it, the more we can share it. Tell me in the comments what's that one invisible task always running in your head. For me, it's what will be the menu tomorrow? every single night. So the next time you find yourself wondering why you are so exhausted, even when you have ticked off every task, remember it's not just the chores. It's the invisible mental load, and the mental load is invisible until we start talking about it. And today we just did.